All right, ladies and gentlemen, today we have the Aircraft Week mini race. In this race, we will be featuring the P-38 Lightning and the AH-64 Apache helicopter. On our practice run of doing this race before we took the video, we lost an airplane and its gearbox is now destroyed. Our P-47 Thunderbolt that you saw in the intro video can no longer race. So, here's we go. Wait a minute. But I was trying to get going way too fast here. If you ask me, this P-38 right here beats the crap out of the one that just drove by. Of course, in real life, the Apache is slower than the P-38 because the P-38 can actually reach 600, well, actually can break the sound barrier in a dive. However, if that does happen, the control surfaces freeze up. Oftentimes, when this plane flew in World War II, when it broke the sound barrier in a dive, the pilot died as a result because he could not pull back out.
Video player, pause, button.
That really is a shame about this one, though. Now, neither of these aircraft are scheduled to appear at the show. At either show, actually. But these mini races are not exactly designed to be relevant to that event. They're simply a fun display. Find that AH64, and then we will end the mini race. I love this P38 Lightning. It's pretty awesome. We're gonna make it come back now. Oh, here's the one. Too close.
Video in progress. Pause. Button.
Alright, well there is everyone.